Koala Kare is the leading provider of safe and innovative commercial childcare products and is proud to be the most recognized brand of baby-changing stations. Did you know we offer 12 models of baby-changing stations and over 20 child seating products? Our number one priority is the safety of your most important customers, and we offer a number of replacement parts to keep Koala products in good working order. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the strap on a KB101 and KB111 vertical baby-changing station. Each vertical strap kit contains instructions, a strap, and 2 machine screws. The installation will require a Phillips head screwdriver. To avoid over-tightening, do not use a screw gun. To get started, open the baby-changing station. Remove both screws that secure the old strap to the product. Discard the old strap and screws. Position the new strap so that the flat side of the chafe tabs are against the bed surface. Thread a screw through the hole in the chafe tab. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, secure the screw into the hole on the left side of the bed. Repeat this step for the other end of the strap and secure it to the right side of the bed. Ensure that the strap is buckled. Clean up tools, dispose of waste, and close the unit.